you didn't mention that, I couldn't tell at all, but yeah, I hope that's a good thing. Thanks for that. We'll just jump right in. Like I was mentioning earlier, we want to talk more about the business school in Leeds University. So can you just firstly tell us what are some of the popular course or program at Leeds Business School, and probably why are they such a demand amongst the students?
Cool. So maybe firstly I'll start with the undergraduate programs, which in the UK of course are 3 years. So the bachelor's in accounting and finance, the bachelor's in business management, both very, very popular programs. Business management is an interesting one because you can do it with human resources, you can do it with marketing. Another very important and popular program for us is international business. This one you can do on its own, or you can do it with finance and with marketing as well. So they're our most popular, I would say, undergraduate programs, as well as economics is always going to be, historically very popular. At master's level, of course, we have 1 year masters in the UK.
Yep.
We are a business school, so of course we have accounting and finance, we have finance and investment, financial mathematics, financial risk management. All of these areas are really popular for the fact that they are, of course, very employable areas. So, students taking anything like accounting and finance are doing so in order to have, direct access to a career in that area.
Can you tell us what distinguishes that Leeds Business School from other business schools, be it in the UK or any other business school in the world? So what's unique about a business school in Leeds?
So first off, it's one of many faculties within the University of Leeds. So it's part of a bigger university. The University of Leeds is a university of about 40,000 students, so one of the bigger ones in the UK. We're a Russell Group institution, which is one of top 24 institutions in the UK, which includes Oxford, Cambridge, UCL, all those big London institutions. Like the university, is a top 100 institution in the world. And so we are very proud of our rankings overall and our rankings per subject as well. We're also one of 1% of business schools in the world that can call themselves triple accredited. In order to be triple accredited, we are audited almost by those three bodies. So AACSB, EQUIS and AMBA, they come and they kind of assess the quality of the teaching, the spaces, the outcomes of the student kind of graduate journeys, and they make sure that we are ensuring a level of quality, and we're audited by every 3 or 5 years depending on the provider. So it just goes to show there's quite a stringent kind of process that we have to go through in order to maintain our rankings, our accreditations.
Is there any opportunities for students who do some exchange programs, or even some call it the global internships, because student also wants to experience the link to other universities, perhaps in other countries, or in terms of internship or job opportunities, and that contribute to their experiences as well, and that leads to their employability?
Yes, there is. Yeah, that's a great question. So at undergraduate level for our bachelors, as I say, our bachelors are 3 years in duration. Students can make that a 4-year program by adding what some call a sandwich year or a year in industry. So students can choose to do a year in industry where they work with an organisation or different organisations over a year, put into practice what they're studying in terms of the academic education. They can also choose to go away and study abroad for a year. We have partners all over the world where students can choose to go and study in the Americas and Asia, other places in Europe. And especially in the business world, business nowadays is a global enterprise, isn't it? So we have to know how to deal and speak to other cultures. We are a very diverse school, and so in the classroom, students will meet people from all over the world, but they'll also get that global education experience in their year abroad and that professional experience in their study year if they choose to do that. That's at undergraduate level. At master's level, there's also opportunities in our study tours and even at MBA level, so those who are coming with 3 to 5 plus years managerial work experience can do an MBA. And so we have study tours at that level as well. So, an opportunity to go and study for 2 weeks in a university in Europe. And a part of the dissertation in the Masters, that's an opportunity, as I say, to engage with other institutions and companies and organisations, depending on the research topic for the dissertation. So yes, lots of opportunity for that.
Thank you, Stephen.
Yeah, thank you.
That's all. Thank you.